Welcome to my channel. Enjoy watching.
In our municipality, as we witnessed tonight, the oath taking of our newly elected municipal officials, and as we listen to the first inaugural speech of our elected municipal mayor, the legacy of good leadership continues here in San Fernando, Camarines Sur as they take their respective chair as your leader. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome all of you to the oath-taking ceremony of the newly elected officials of the municipality of San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all witness the grand processional of our newly elected officials together with their respective families. Let us give them a big round of applause. We start with our Sangguniang Bayan members. Bigyan po natin ng isang masigabong palakpakan. We have our Sangguniang Bayan-elect Honorable Richelle Postio Habonete together with her family. Let us also give a big round of applause to our inducting officer. Let us give a resounding applause to Honorable Jesus A. Mambo. Ladies and gentlemen, the Sangguniang Bayan members, starting off with Honorable Richelle Postio Habonete and her family. A round of applause, please. Next, we have Honorable Francis Norberg Granadino Magulo and his family. Bigyan po natin ng isang masigabong palakpakan ng Honorable Romulo Duarte Villabianca Jr. kasama ang kanyang pamilya. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a resounding applause for Honorable Alan Barcenas Valenzuela and his family. Salubuhin po natin ng isang masigabong palakpakan, Honorable Manuel Picoto Sapo and his family. for Honorable Aristeo Aguilar Aragaya together with his family. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please give it the loudest applause for our top one municipal councilor, Honorable Delia Alvo Mayores and her family. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all witness the entrance of our municipal vice mayor together with her loving family. Let us give a resounding round of applause for Honorable Maria Maganda Espinosa Lanyada. Bayan ng San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Tumayo po tayong lahat at salubungin ng may ngiti at masigabong palakpakan ang ina ng ating bayan, Honorable Betty Ann Cristina Zanabar Fulgentes at ang kanyang pamilya. Mas malakas na palakpakan ng bayan ng San Fernando to Mayor Betty Ann Cristina Zanabar Fulgentes. Together with our Honorable Mayor, we have her loving family. Palapakan po natin silang lahat.